Our first step in creating our cumulative frequency polygon, a less than cumulative frequency polygon, is to add a column to our frequency distribution. And that's going to be our cumulative frequency. Okay, so in a less than cumulative frequency, we're going to add the frequencies as we go. So 7, 19, 26, 29, and 30. Our next step is to put our scales on our axis. So we're going to start on the x-axis, and I'm going to start with 10, 15, 20, and these are all coming from my class limits, 25, and 30, and we're going to add our label. No, we should add a 35 here as well. And our label, hours studying. And labels on our graphs are very important. Okay, now we're ready to look at our y-axis. And we're going to put a scale of 5 here. So we'll go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And we're going to add our label, number of students. And we're going to add our percentages over on the other side. So at 30, we will have 100%. At 22.5, which is probably right about here, we will have 75%. At 15, we will have 50%. And at 7.5, which is around here, we would have our 25%. Now we are ready to go ahead and plot our data. We're always going to start with the lower limit of the class, of the first class, and that's 10, so that's going to be 0. Our next one is going to be our upper limit of our first class, which is 15 and 7, and that's going to be right around here. Our next one will be 20 and 19, right around here. Our next one will be 25 and 26, should be right around here. And our final, sorry, not my final one, my second to final, for 30 will be 29. And then for 35, it will be my 30. And then we're going to connect those dots, and that'll give us an increasing line, and that is our cumulative frequency polygon for a less than option.